Hello viewers, we are looking for Saylor, looking at Bitcoin ordinals for a development say Michael Saylor. Right now enterprise have weak security compared to Bitcoin. Saylor told debate. Saylor so founder and executive chairman Michael Saylor said the company isn't just aware of ordinals, it's interested in how to protocol that said Bitcoin community. Evans called late of software innovation. In a interview at Bitcoin 2023 in Miami, Saylor executively told Jeffrey that the software frame is looking at ordinals and accessories is potential in terms of application development, often used to create NFT like a set of top of Bitcoin ordinal shell launched in January, and the protocol weight not employed heavily by Bitcoin community has carried in. Now we have experimentation with crypto old coin. One recent innovation in the space innovation ordinance in an experimental framework for building token on top of Bitcoin. It was pioneered by the Pushed mouse on clean data is a demo in early March, and since then thousands of others so called BRC 2.0 token have been created. All those transactions have been partly or entirely depending on who you ask responsible for element transaction fees on Bitcoin. That's been a bone of Bitcoin miners who collect transaction fee for their role in sourcing the network. But lots of members of the community have complained that high fee make it harder for regular people to use BTC as the par to par electronic cash system that Sanosuke Nakamoto, the person creator